taking a ride. Gotta go get a part for Home Depot. And also I got a problem with the handle here. So it's a handle day. And if I point around towards the handle that's above the passenger side, you can kind of guess that the hydraulics of it kind of brings it down. And right now it's not coming down. It's showtime! Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm heading into Home Depot. I have to get a jealousy window crank. It's a part that broke at the gear. More the housing, the aluminum gave out. That causes the issue of it sliding out. Now, I am going to see how much it costs. If it's over $17, I will not be purchasing and getting it online. I got the actual part with me. I am going to be comparing it if Home Depot has one. Well, in order to go into the store, we do now have to take another precaution, a minute of your time to get dressed. And a lot of people don't have that time, so they don't put on gloves, etc., etc. Well, I got everything I need, and I got to take a measurement of this, 3 inches, edge to edge, 2 5/8 of an inch, 5.5 inches over here about. So let's go see. What I need. I got my parts. I don't need my mask because I'm now away from everybody. And put all my change in my bag, the receipt in the bag, and I got my things I need. Can't do talk in stores anymore, because all they do is music. So now for me, time to go put this part in. They had like 6 different cranks, and I did the best to match mine up without opening up a package. Maybe they should have had a package that was already open. You never know. Even though I wear gloves, keep that out of the sun, and I'm all prepared. LH233, which is the jealousy crank for the window. Very simple to do, as you've seen in the video here. The parts that I show you resembles the same as the other one, just an 1/8 of an inch shy. It is still closed the window. A very simple job, easy as 1, 2, 3.
$70, have somebody come in to look at it? No, thank you. I hope this video was entertaining and helpful for you to change out that easy. On that note, enjoy. Have a great day doing your repair with Part 33, the Jealousy Window Crank.